Hi everybody, Paul here. I found some other information on how to easily fix your airbag warning light, so I thought I'd share it with you because I know it'll be very helpful. When you look under the seats of your vehicle, you'll notice that the different wiring harnesses are different colors. Under this particular seat, there's a white one, a gray one, a black one, another white one, another gray one, and a yellow one. The airbag wiring harness is always identified in yellow on all makes and models. So that's the only one you need to wiggle and push in to make sure it's good and tight when you try to fix your airbag warning light. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.